Hey, if you haven't made wheels and cheese, I will show you how to make it in 9 steps. If you haven't had wheels and cheese before, you've never lived a real life. You first buy the wheels and cheese. First, you put it in the freezer to make it freeze. Once you're ready to take it out, eat it, grab it out of the freezer, and you're ready to start cooking. What you do next is where it says open here, you peel this corner back and leave a little hole open. Once you've peeled the corner, grab the mac and cheese and put it in the microwave. Shut the door and put it on high for 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes are up, open it up, get some mac and cheese, put it on the counter. Okay, now you take off the lid, get a fork, stir together the cheese and the noodles. Alright, you're done stirring the mac and cheese, grab it and put it in the microwave for another minute. Once it's done, take it out of the microwave, carry it over, and put it on the table. Let it sit there and cool for 3 to 5 minutes.